Uy, medyo may iba naman tayo kunti today. And I have here today is a laptop. A very thin laptop. Perfect para sa mga professionals. And I have here is the all-new ASUS EXPERTBOOK na P3 series. Itong laptop na ito is so powerful. Lahat ng task na kaya mo ibigay sa kanya, kayang-kaya na gawin. And the best of all, it's lightweight and tumatagal din ang kanyang battery. And this one packs quite a lot of features inside, which I'm interested to show you right after this quick intro. So pag-usapan natin. So very simple lang ang packaging ng ASUS EXPERTBOOK, and this is powered by the Intel Core i7 with a 16 gigs of RAM and a 512 gigs of storage. And since it's still sealed, buksan natin. Blade, please. Buksan natin. Uy. Your vision, our passion. So ilabas muna natin yung laptop. Quick start guide. Meron siya extra thermal pad in case gusto mong dagdag ng M.2 na storage, and warranty card. And of course, nandito ang kanyang charging brick. Nice USB-C na siya. And it is a 65 watts na charging brick. So meaning, we might be able to try yung mga charging brick natin na USB-C kung gagana dito sa laptop na ito. Just for extra peace of mind in case na wala mo to or nginat ka ng daga. So ito na. Ganda na print. EXPERTBOOK. Ang ganda ng kanyang grills dito sa ilalim, no? Looks quite good. And meron siyang rubber dito para non-slip. Dito rin may rubber din siya. So on the sides, you have a USB port. Dito nag-charge. HDMI port, USB-A, USB-C, and ito ang kanyang audio jack. On the other side, Kensington lock, LAN port, and of course, another USB-A port. Manipis siya guys, ha? Tingnan nyo. This is how laptop should be. Powerful yet slim. Oh ha guys, ang ganda. Just look at it. Premium na premium looking. Gusto ko sa kanya is malaki ang kanyang mousepad, which is definitely going to be very easy to navigate, lalo sa mga gestures. No? Medyo inis ako sa mga trackpad na sobrang liit. And based sa aking testing dito sa kanyang keyboard, mukhang tahimik naman ang kanyang typing experience. Malalaman natin yan. So here's my experience. So basically, ito ang itsura ng ASUS na EXPERTBOOK na P3 series. Ang nipis niya, honestly, and it's probably one of the lightest laptop na nahawakan ko. Ang ginanda naman dito sa kanya, sobrang generous siya sa mga ports. Dalawang C port, dalawang A port, which is for me, good enough. There are other laptops naman na ang dami ng A port, iisa lang ka ng C port, charging pa. So, mabibitin ka nga talaga. This one, may isang charging na C port and isang C port to plug in any of your devices. Like mga smartphones, para pang transfer, para hindi ka talaga mabibitin sa kanya. For me, ang one thing na sobrang importante sa mga business people is that meron pa siyang LAN port dito, which to my surprise, kasi alam natin there are times na hindi masyado reliable ang Wi-Fi. Pagpunta pa ng mga hotel, you might want to plug in yung kanyang LAN cable just to get a better speed for uploading, downloading ng mga documents. Iba pa rin ang wired connection. And this one's being powered by Intel na i7 na 13th gen, and it's a 13620H. This one also comes together with a 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM and a 512 gigs na M.2 SSD na 2280 na P4. And itong unit ko comes together with a Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. License copy yan, ha. Now, one thing na sobra kong gusto dito sa kanya is yung kanyang anti-glare technology. Pag nakatapat ka sa mga ilaw, like tinatapat ko sa aking ilaw, normally makita mo parang nagre-reflect na siya, no? Pero ang ganda, tinan mo guys, no? Dinidisperse niya yung ilaw and making it softer for your eyes to see. And pwede mo rin siya open ng 180 degrees if you need it. Now, honestly, ginagamit ko na siya for more than 1 week. Sobrang okay ka ng screen. Besides sa kanyang pagiging anti-glare, itong kanyang 14-inch na display is very wide. 16:10 ang kanyang ratio, and it has a 85% na screen-to-body ratio. Panonood ako ng mga videos dito like Korean novela, watching K-pop Demon Hunters paulit-ulit kasama ng aking anak, and watching some basketball games dito, talagang mag-e-enjoy ka sa kanya. Dahil sa ganda ng kanyang display, and solid na solid kahit saan ka mo po hindi nag-reflect ang kanyang display. Honestly, I did try other things din dito sa kanya like doing documents, spreadsheet, and PowerPoint presentation. Wala kang maging problema dito dahil sobrang easy gamitin tong ASUS na EXPERTBOOK na P3. And what's nice dito sa kanya is that meron siyang Microsoft na Copilot button dito built-in. And meaning in a single press dito sa button na ito, lalabas si Copilot. And basically, you can ask anything sa kanya at matutulungan ka naman niya. Nakapag-draft ako ng several letters thanks to Copilot. Now, one thing na gusto ko rin dito sa laptop na ito is expandable pa rin siya. Pwede ka mag-expand up to 32 gigs sa kanyang RAM, and pwede ka mag-expand up to 1 terabyte ang kanyang storage. Dahil meron siya dalawang DDR5 na SODIMM slots, yung isa gamitan ng 16, no? You can add another one. And dalawa rin na kanyang M.2 na 2280 PCIe Gen 4 na SSD slot. So you can expand another 512. to make it 1 terabyte. And pag kinulang ka pa, bumili ka na ng hard drive. Pagdating sa kanyang typing experience, I had a good time dito sa kanya. One thing na gustong-gusto ko sa kanya is tahimik mag-type dito sa kanya. And very generous ng kanyang trackpad kasi ang laki rin niya. But there are times na you might want a help ng isang mouse. And meron ako i-recommend sa inyo na perfect dito sa kanya. Ito siya. This is a mouse na may kasamang TWS. Nabili ko to from Honor sa China. And pagbukas mo dito sa kanya, meron siyang dalawang nakatago na TWS. Perfect na aliw lang ako dito sa kanya, no? So, you can connect this one Bluetooth or pwede mo rin gamitin ang kanyang dongle, ikabit mo sa kanyang USB-A ng ASUS EXPERTBOOK mo. Ayos, di ba? May mouse ka na, meron ka pang TWS. Ang tawag na dito is yung Wireless Ear Mouse Pro. I'm not quite sure, no? Pero it's basically a 2-in-1 na device. Which honestly, sobrang recommended ko sa inyo na i-pair nyo ito sa inyong ASUS na EXPERTBOOK P3. Kung may mahanap ako link, I'll post it on the description. Now, some other things na gusto mong malaman sa kanyang keyboard, this one is spill resistant. In case lang, hindi ko sabihin sadyain ninyo na matapo ang coffee dito sa inyong keyboard, safe ka naman na hindi siya mag-grounded dahil meron siyang spill resistance. It's just for safety precaution, huwag niyong sasadyain basain. Kasi alam ko pag once of water damage, it still voids yung warranty. Now, this one also comes together built-in with a 1080p na camera, which itatry natin right now. So guys, I'm right now recording using the ASUS EXPERTBOOK na P3 and using kind of front-facing camera 1080p. And honestly, I would say quite good ang kanang video. And I've been using this video to talk to my friends, my clients. And sabi naman nila, clear naman ang video coming out from the camera ng ASUS EXPERTBOOK P3. So okay guys, ano masasabi niyo sa audio quality and ang video quality? One thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya is na pwede mo siya i-slide para isara ang iyong webcam for privacy reasons. And by the way, ang audio is powered by Dirac yung kanyang speaker and yung kanyang microphone. So, I guess napakinggan nyo naman yung kanyang quality kanina. And pag nag-music jamming ka naman dito, I would say na okay din ang kanyang sound quality. And talagang mag-enjoy ka naman sa kanya. Not the loudest, but it's decent enough to give you a good listening experience. But kung hindi ka pa rin contented, you can always use yung audio jack and plug in your favorite headphones. Napad ko na gamawa sa mga public Wi-Fi, sa Wi-Fi dito sa bahay. This one having Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. So basically, it's universal, no? I was just hoping na sana meron sa Wi-Fi 7, pero para medyo mas future-proofing. Pero Wi-Fi 6 is for me quite good enough kasi yun naman ang common right now here in the Philippines. So, connecting to most Wi-Fi routers naman dito, okay naman siya. Nung nag-speed test naman ako dito sa bahay, I was able to get a good speed naman dito at home. Dito naman sa aking studio, nakapag-speed test naman ako, I was able to get a 275 Mbps na speed dito and a 332 na upload speed. And ang aking subscription speed dito sa bahay is a 300 Mbps. So, fairly good enough. Now, quickly, usapang battery naman tayo. Now, ito ASUS EXPERTBOOK na P3 comes together with a 50 watt-hour na battery. And it supports up to 65 watts na fast charging. And ito ang kanyang kasama na charging brick, which is a little bit bulky for me. Kaya I would recommend you to buy this one, si Anker na 140 watts na charging brick. It's so small, it's even lighter than itong charging brick set na meron ni ASUS. Talagang mas matutuwa ka dito. It also comes together with a fast charging cable, so wala kang maging problema charging your ASUS na EXPERTBOOK na P3. And ito naman lagi kong gamit, bitbit ko sa loob ng aking backpack. Yun ang ginanda pag USB-C ang iyong charging port ng iyong laptop. I'll post the link on the description kung interested din kayo. Now, going back sa kanyang battery endurance, honestly, makunat din naman itong laptop na ito. I've been using it for more than a week. And on day-to-day usage, kaya naman na magtagal ng one whole day. Hindi naman yung tipong nakabukas na ng one whole day, but for me, using normally for browsing, watching videos, and doing some conference call, wala kang maging problema sa kanya. Perfect na perfect siya for work, or if you're going out on the field, kung medyo heavy ang presentation mo, pwede ka rin mag-invest sa power bank like this one from Chuktek. Pwede niya i-charge yung laptop mo, giving you another 10,000 mAh na battery. Okay na okay rin to if you like to travel. Actually, gamit ko nga rin to sa aking P3, and it works perfectly. Now, one of the key feature ng ASUSBOOK na EXPERTBOOK P3 is yung kanyang military standard 810H. And it means na pwede mong hampasin. Wag, mas mahal pa aking camera. Well, honestly, sobra siyang tibay, no? Pwede mong ipanghampas or pwede mong hulog sa table. Well, honestly, wag mong sasadyain. Kasi kahit papaano, this is still a laptop. There are still some components inside na might get damaged. Remember, mga drop resistant like this one is good pag nahuhulog by accident, hindi sinasadya. Just a word of reminder. So after 1 week kong gamit tong laptop na ito, kamusta naman siya? Honestly, I'm really happy with it. Sobrang okay siya kasi I get my job done dito. Talking to my client on video call, doing all my office work dito sa kanya, talagang okay na okay. And kung may time naman mag-relax, nanonood ng mga videos dito, wala kang maging problema din sa kanya kasi meron pa rin siyang battery. And one thing na sobrang na-appreciate ko sa kanya dito, dahil this one comes together with the US military standard na 810H, ensuring yung na matibay siya. Which hindi ko na gagawin ng drop test or tatapakan ko siya. I'll let the other tech reviewer do the honors. Now, there are some features dito sa laptop na ito which gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo. Meron siyang AI Expert Meet. Pag-click mo, makita mo there are things that you can do here. So, let's say kung ni-record mo ang minutes of the meeting ninyo, pwede mo siya i-transcribe, no? Pag tin-transcribe mo, makita mo, yan, no? So, kaya naman niya i-sort out using AI yung mga sinabi ng Speaker 1, Speaker 2, Speaker 3, no? So, yan ang ginanda nito sa kanyang AI na Expert Meet, no? Pwede mo lagyan ng watermarks if you want, which is something quite good, no? Kung gusto mo i-transcribe yung mga yung para makita mo yung minutes of the meeting. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-type every single word. And pwede mo rin gamitin si Copilot to summarize yung minutes of the meeting. Ayos, di ba? And there's another feature na gusto ko pakita sa inyo, yung My ASUS dito. You would see yung battery mo dito, CPU load mo, memory, hard disk space mo. Lahat makita mo dito sa kanya. Very, very nice. Planchado siya. Pwede mo i-diagnose ang yung system update. Pwede mo rin check yung warranty mo dito. Pwede rin mag-upgrade ng warranty mo. Pwede ka rin kumausap ng customer support dito, which is definitely going to be really good, di ba? I mean, very nice na parang lahat nandito na sa kanya. Very convenient para sa atin. So kayo, interested ba kayo dito sa laptop na ito? Let me know in the comments. Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, I'll post the link on the description box below. Yung official link ng ASUS Business para hindi kayo ma-scam. So kung meron kayo alam mga friends, family na naghanap ng laptop na matibay and very reliable, this is definitely one that I can recommend and pwede mo i-share din itong video sa kanila. And of course, in-invite ko kayo mag-like, subscribe sa akin channel para makanood kayo ng more reviews just like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang muli, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa aking next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.